Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Depop how to make bundle order. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To create a bundle order on Depop, you need to communicate with the seller. So to do it, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Depop app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once you're logged in, simply tap on the discover option and then type in the name of the seller that you want to have a chat with. Then once you select the profile, you will be seeing something like this on the screen. Then you'll be seeing this message icon. All you gotta do is simply tap on here, and now all you gotta do is ask if they offer a bundle discount and what the total would be for the items you want. The seller will either create a new custom listing with the agreed total or reduce the price on one item and tell you to buy it and note what items are included in the bundle. So if you are a seller, then what you need to do is ask the buyer which items they want. Simply create a new listing with photos and combat price and other shipping rate, and then title it to something like bundle for username and send them link and instruct them to purchase that listing. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.